That is the spindle underneath. That one right there. And you cannot run both at the same time. If you hit start on one, it will switch. The upper one. So if I hit this, the bottom one kicks on, but the top slows down and stops. Takes a little bit, but it does. There's that. Then this is locked in. This is locked down right now, but this can be released, and then this handle allows this top to roll or move up like that. So you can pull that down with the handle. The whole motor and everything moves. And then I'm not sure which one does what. Maybe it's this one. Maybe it's this one right here. I'm not sure, but this, I think this handle, one of these handles moves this up and down as well. So anyway, there's not much to see, but you can hear the spindles run. The light works.